Hey everyone, targeting professional gamers with its cutting-edge features and performance, Edifier has introduced the HECATE G2 Pro eSports headset, its newest offering in the gaming sector. Edifier is committed to providing premium gaming accessories under the HECATE brand, and this headset builds on the popularity of the HECATE G1 Pro. Equipped with a 50mm titanium-plated driver and powered by the C-Media 6646X1 chip, the G2 Pro offers high-res certified audio with support for 32-bit or 192 kHz decoding, and 192 kHz or 32-bit recording. This ensures clear and detailed sound reproduction, enhancing the gaming experience. The headset features 7.1 surround sound, providing gamers with precise positional audio cues for a more immersive gaming environment. This feature allows players to accurately locate enemies and other in-game sounds, giving them a competitive advantage. With dual sound cards, users can independently adjust game and voice chat volumes, ensuring clear communication with teammates, while customizing their audio settings for gameplay. The G2 Pro comes with a detachable omnidirectional microphone that features noise reduction technology, delivering clear voice communication during gaming sessions. Developed for long gaming sessions, the headset features protein leather ear cushions for comfort, and a lightweight appearance weighing only 270 grams. RGB lighting effects with 3 preset modes allow users to personalize their gaming setup. The headset is compatible with various devices including computers, laptops, PS4 or PS5, and more, offering versatility to gamers across different platforms. An intuitive line control on the headset allows for easy operation, including one-button activation of 7.1 surround sound, volume adjustment for dual sound cards, microphone muting, and control of RGB lighting effects. The Edifier HECATE G2 Pro eSports headset is currently available at an attractive launch promotion price of 279 yuan, which is approximately $39. This special offer is part of Edifier's strategy to introduce the headset to the market and attract early adopters with a discounted price point. After the promotional period, the regular price of the Edifier HECATE G2 Pro will be set at 299 yuan, equivalent to around $41. This headset is competitively positioned in the gaming peripherals market thanks to its cost, which reflects its sophisticated features and overall value. Customers who purchase the Edifier HECATE G2 Pro headset can enter a draw to win items like an ADG Fearless contract, Jingdong beans, or autographed pictures of well-known gamers, as part of a special celebration held by the firm to mark the headset's introduction. The launch of this cutting-edge gaming headset will be made more exciting by this promotion, which runs from March 27 to April 12, 2024. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.